Hello everyone, Andrew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use rumble.com to upload videos and to earn money from them. Before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, and if you share the video, I'd appreciate it. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So here at rumble.com, what is Rumble for those who don't know? Rumble is a video hosting platform just like YouTube, but the big difference is that on Rumble you don't need subscribers or a certain amount of watch hours in order to get your videos monetized. Rumble does that part for us. Okay, now this is my Rumble channel, Borix username, my profile picture, and these are all the videos I uploaded to Rumble. And as you can see, 23 hours ago already got monetized, 22 hours ago monetized, 10 hours ago was the last video they uploaded and it got monetized. Now these three videos are ads free. It means that no advertiser has accepted these videos to put their ads on until now. Okay, my videos, they are all 100% monetized. The first video I created was 1 week ago, already got monetized, 87 views, and still going. Everything is monetized. Every video is monetized. Okay, so let me show you how you can upload a video on Rumble, and then I'll show you how you can create an account. So to upload a video, the process is basically the same as YouTube. You go here to this icon here or to your profile username and click on upload your video. It will take you to this page. You click here, upload the video from your folder or your desktop. You put a title here, put a description here, choose a thumbnail. Okay, put your tags here, keywords, just like YouTube. Alright, and then click, if you want you can schedule the video or you can click on upload. Now this is the important part I wanted to show you about uploading a video on Rumble. The moment you click upload, you will be redirected on this page to choose one of these options. The first option is video management exclusive, which means that you give Rumble 100% exclusivity of your uploaded videos, and Rumble will share it whenever and wherever it can, and you will get 40% of its revenue because Rumble does the hard work. Okay, sorry, you will get 60%. I'm so sorry. Rumble gets 40%, you will get 60%. Okay, the second option is the option that I'm going to choose for this video, because if you have a YouTube channel and you have a lot of videos there, but you also want and you can upload that on Rumble as well, but you must choose this option. It means that you give Rumble exclusivity of the video, but they will share it anywhere excluding YouTube, except YouTube. Okay, and you will also earn 60% of its revenue. And this is the option I'm gonna choose because the video I uploaded, I already have it on my YouTube channel. So Rumble will share it anywhere, everywhere, except YouTube. Okay, and the third option, Rumble only, is exactly like YouTube. You have 100% exclusivity. You can delete it, edit your video whenever, however you want. And the fourth option, which I don't recommend, except if you want to put your videos somewhere online on the internet for personal use. This option doesn't get your videos monetized. Okay, the first three options you will get 60% of its revenue. So like I said, I'm going to choose the second option and click on terms and conditions, of course, and click on submit. Now your video my video is uploaded. Now it's ready to share on Rumble. So this is the direct link you can use. This is the ambit code or the monetized ambit code, which you can implement on your website if you have a blog. Okay, So we shall give it some time in order to upload the video to storage, etc. But if we go here to my content, you will see that the video is here uploaded, ready to share, monetizing, pending. Okay, so the moment it uploads 100% on Rumble's database and Rumble's admin reviews it, okay, it will be monetized just like the other videos. So this is basically it, guys. It's simple as that. Okay, you don't need any subscribers. If you check my channel, all right, there you go, I have only 4 subscribers. Okay, and like I showed you on my videos, my first video was uploaded like 9 days ago, all right, 1 week ago. Okay, and already got monetized. Every other video got monetized. Okay, so how you can create an account on Rumble. Of course, I'm going to leave my referral link on the description of the video, and Rumble does have a referral program and you get paid 5% on your referrals revenue. This is my referral link, but if you want to join under my link, you will also be asked during the registration process, you will also be asked for your referral code. Okay, here we offer an amazing 5% commission on all referred users to Rumble. It's pretty simple. Your referral code is your username, so Borix, they will be asked for it when they register. So if you want to register under me, and when you will be asked, make sure to put my username Borix on the registration page, so you will become my direct referral. Okay, so this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it, and yeah, see you in the next one. Cheers.